Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So we actually never unboxed any monster truck in our channel so far. This is the first time I'm doing it, and one of the person he was asking multiple times to unbox some monster truck. I do have a couple. I sold a lot actually. Whatever I had, I know I actually sold it back. So because it was taking so much space, but this one I personally bought it because specifically for this livery, and then a card art looks really nice. So I don't know how I'm going to save this card art now, but I don't remember how much I bought this for. Maybe 20 ringgits or 25. Okay, I'm not sure. Okay, so let's see the details here. So it says Dodge Ram and Dream Crusher, truck type city, strength nice layer. I don't know what it is. Crash attack nightmare. Okay, so I don't know if there is any game related to this, but okay. But it has other iterations here, like Hummy is there. Okay, this is the one we are having now, and Bone Shaker. I don't know. I saw something else as well. I don't remember whether it's a Bone Shaker or I don't remember. It's a snake bite. I don't remember exactly what it is, but let's see. And okay, so let's unbox this now. Okay, so let's try not to damage the card. So okay, we won't be able to do roll test in this track because I need to take another set of track from I don't know where I kept it. So I have multiple boxes. I don't know in which box that track is, but let me just try to do a roll test in this mat itself and see how this one goes when we are doing the roll test. Okay, crashed car, and here's the truck. Okay, it has supporting piece here, so definitely I'm not going to keep it back as it is. Let's see. Okay, here is our very first monster truck unboxing in our channel. Okay, we did unbox monster truck, but those are from Majority if I'm not wrong. Yeah, those are from Majority. Okay, let's see. Okay, it doesn't have any suspension like Majority did. It has only like the axle movement like left and right. Okay, a little bit on the rear wheel as well. Okay, the more specific thing I bought was for the paint job. Let's see. Okay, that actually looks really awesome. The paint job is actually really smooth. I don't see any issues with the paint job here so far. Okay, it doesn't have, okay, it has some interior. Okay, here it is. Let me just, okay. So it doesn't have any headlight details. I really wish they added some headlight details here because it costed me more than 20 ringgits if I'm not wrong, 25 or 30. I don't remember it exactly now. So okay, but rest of the paint job looks really phenomenal. And if you guys able to get this particular casting, my suggestion would be go ahead and get it because you are not going to get another one like this one. And okay, the engine detailing here, that is plastic. Okay, so the body is metal till this part here, as you can see. So rest everything here is plastic. The chassis, yeah, chassis is plastic. I don't know what this is. I mean, if any of you guys own monster truck like a lot, and if you know about this particular hole for why it is, let me know. Okay, so these are, does look like rubber. Yeah, these are rubber tires. These are rubber tires. I'm really wondering how I'm going to take a thumbnail picture or even do this showcase at the end of this video because this is actually huge. Honestly, the paint job, everything looks really nice. Okay, let's look at this particular one, the crushed car. So nothing much to speak about here, but looks okay. It's just a piece of plastic. That's it. You can get something like this for 10 rupees or 15 rupees max. Okay, maybe it goes here somewhere. No, nothing. Okay, let's see how it rolls. Okay, If I had another track right now, I would have been able to do the roll test, but okay, let's see. Yeah, it rolls really nice. It does roll really nice. I'm not giving that much of a push, not like I'm giving it to the normal main lines, but I'm just giving it only a little bit of push here. It rolls really well. Sometimes it steers to right or left, but it's fine. But it rolls really well. It looks absolutely gorgeous, more specifically if you're keeping it in this view and if you're looking at it, it looks really beautiful. I'm really glad that I actually bought this particular casting. I honestly am really happy about it. Yeah, it has steering on both front and rear wheels, which is really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you like my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.